Do you know many people are having trouble with cooling their new fridges? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Set upright. Ensure your refrigerator is upright and connected to power. Step 2. Run 24 hours. Run the fridge uninterrupted for at least 24 hours to cool completely. Step 3. Limit openings. Keep doors closed as much as possible to retain cool air. Step 4. Clear vents. Check that no vents inside the fridge are blocked. Step 5. Store food. Start storing food once the desired temperature is reached. After following these steps, your LG fridge should be perfectly cooled and ready to use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.